So one tip I heard from someone on YouTube a long time ago was your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. I try to make them as close as I can to each other, but they never really look just alike. Okay, but that's how I do the framing of it, like that. Okay, that's the final look of my makeup. That's how I pretty much do my makeup every single day. Just a little color and mostly eyebrows. And some days it's only eyebrows. And for my hair, I just put water, oil, and edge control when I feel like it. But that's the ease of my routine. So the best way for me to be able to do everything I want to do in a day is to come up with some sort of plan of action. And I really don't want to do more than 3 things today, especially if it's like time consuming, you know? So I'm going to start with this, and I'll probably put everything over here so that it makes sense. So these are the things I want to do, well, and have to do today. So my mind is saying, number 1, to clean my room, at least to put away this pile of clothes that's off to the side here. Number 2 is to finish editing and get the video posted and uploaded to YouTube with the tips that I just got today. Number 3 was also to record the content, which is something I'm doing right now. And number 4 was to take the kids out somewhere. They want to do shopping, but I'm gonna try to get it to a point where they're not spending up a lot of my money. So giving them a budget and at least running a couple errands outside the house before it's dark, because I really don't like driving at nighttime. So those are my goals for the day. I usually don't start any like work project if my room is not clean. It's just something I have to do to clear my mind. So let's do this on a time crunch thing to just to make sure that I'm outside the house and then back inside the house before it's late. You know what I mean? Okay, so let's go look and see what time it is first. Okay, so it's currently 2:15. I have this pile of clothes over here that I want to put away, and this pile of mail over here that needs my attention. I also might vacuum my bedroom floor today. It don't look bad, but I like to make sure it's clean. I told my daughter already that they're gonna have lunch around 2:30. I know I won't be able to finish. Sorry about that, there was a notification on my phone. I don't think I'll be able to finish this in 15 minutes. However, I'm gonna give myself 15 minutes to go through the clothes and get that put away and vacuum my room. So that's gonna be until 2:30, and okay, 2:31, because now it's 2:16, which means I need to stop talking, get off the camera, and get started. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's 2:17, so we're gonna do 15 minutes from there, 2:32. Return. can see it's 2:35. So I went 3 minutes over my 15-minute time challenge that I was trying to do. But what I realized is, number one, there's a spot on the floor, which I'm about to clean up with some carpet cleaner and a toothbrush. But while I wait, I realized also that a lot of the things that we put off don't take as long as we think they're gonna take. Katya, you want to have berries or oranges? We have strawberries too.
So let them out through this door?
No, you can let them out through the door, you know.
Okay.
Can you go downstairs in a Lazy Susan and see if we have some ketchup? Not sure my family didn't clean up. I made brunch this morning. French toast, bacon, eggs, and then some bananas, like banana Foster kind of recipe. Not sure why they left it all here, but I'll finish it up for my brunch because I didn't eat yet. See? Put this in the microwave, but I know I'm gonna forget. Hey, stop yelling. While the hot dogs are cooking behind me over there, I'm going to actually use this time to go ahead and sort through the mail, the pile of mail. I brought it downstairs, so I'm gonna do that now. I'm sure you make big brain moves all the time, so it could be one. Oh, it's so cold. Why did you guys tell me my shirt was messed up?
Big break.
Daddy roll your boat. Daddy roll your boat. Ooh. Is that moldy? No, but I have a picky eater. He would probably put away the ones he doesn't like the look of. So this looks fine. Strawberries. Too, and this is all my personal stuff for content creation and also personal. Okay. Head over there. So that's much better, boo-boo. And those things helped me too. It was like some encouragement. Okay, you guys, so I just want to do a quick check-in. It is now 5:32, and I just finished editing that video, and it's about 7 minutes long. I underestimated the time it takes to edit, so I'm kind of proud of myself because it took me about an hour and, was that 15 minutes? Just about hour and 15 minutes to do that video that was already chopped up mostly anyway. You guys, it's a process. Content creation is a learning process for me. So now I'm gonna go ahead and work on a thumbnail that I can get this video published, because I told you guys I was gonna do that, and then my son wants to go out somewhere before it gets too dark. So we're gonna get ready to do that soon. I'm gonna give myself, okay, I know I keep doing this time thing, but I'm trying it, 15 minutes for a thumbnail. Okay, let's go. I just uploaded the YouTube video finally, and it is now 6:28, but it's on there. I just wanted to come to my channel on the iPad just so I can see. It wouldn't let me upload the thumbnail that I created, but I didn't really like it too much anyway. But it's right here. Adult swim lessons. So yeah, I'm proud of me. So I'll see if the store I was gonna go to, if their machine is up, because I had an Amazon return that I wanted to send back, but the machine was down. So I need to call and see if their machine is up today. And if so, then I'll possibly return it. If not, I might just hang out at home because you probably could hear I started to get sleepy voice in. And I could sit here, go through the photos and videos that I have on my phone and delete some of the content that I've already posted, like this video, well, the last video about my swim. I could do that now that I'm finally finished with editing and getting it uploaded. I had that video on my phone for probably like 2 weeks now or so. Most of the goals for today have been accomplished so far. The only one not accomplished yet is heading out the door. So I'm not too mad about that one. I'm gonna see how I feel because that could be a whole another adventure for tomorrow. But let me do what I said. Let me stop, call the store, and then take it from there.